Hi, boys and girls. If you're watching this video, you chose choice 1, where you're practicing asking where by buddy reading. Here we go. There's some materials you need. You need a buddy, you need your where stick, and you need 2 books on your reading level. 2 books for you and 2 books for your partner on your level. This is Miss Jensen's book. Are you ready to watch Miss Jensen read and ask where questions? Nocturnal animals sleep during the day. Beavers sleep after building their dams. I gotta ask a where question. Where do they sleep? Looks like they sleep on a log. Diurnal animals sleep at night. Squirrels sleep at night after gathering nuts. Let me ask a where question. Where do squirrels like to sleep? Looks like they like to sleep in trees. The sun shines during the day. Lizards lie in bright sunlight. Where do you think lizards live? It looks like they live in hot climates. The moon shines at night. Owls look for food in the moonlight. Where do you think owls live? Looks like they live in trees. Can you ask me a where question about what I just read? Now it's your turn. Don't forget to sit elbow, elbow, knee to knee with your book in the middle so you both can see. I want you to rock, paper, scissors to take turns of who's going first. Make sure you ask a where question and your partner gets to ask a where question, and you're both taking turns answering questions. Have fun practicing where.